Oh, we got a friend up ahead. See how long it takes us to get. He is doing some big movements. So big movements like that, I don't know if you guys can see, but big movements like that when you're going through lanes are actually helpful because it creates more movement in the mirrors of the drivers, hopefully ahead of you, that they hopefully see you. And so by making those big movements, he's making himself more visible. Because motorcycles always run with their headlights on, you're at least going to be seeing that flicker of the headlight moving through. Okay, we're going to pull up on him. I have a feeling there's going to be a lane change right here. Something tells me something's about to be weird. I don't know what. And also, guys, when you are riding, trust your feelings, okay? If you get a feeling like, hey, this feels really weird, I don't like this, slow down, back up, make an adjustment to make sure that you're staying safe. That's the most important thing you can do. Oh, we got another friend up ahead. Yeah, bro, just stay in it. I'm going to cruise with you. There you go. You're good. I'm not trying to pass you. I'm just with you. Thank you. All right. Okay. No. Stay in it. You got it. Okay, we're in a low RPM second gear split. I don't like it. I'd rather be in first, but this bike's first gear isn't as strong as I'd like it to be. Got spoiled with the CBR, that's for sure. It's okay. You scared? All right, I got you.